There is a shift in momentum on the charts, and it's showing up across the board. The price momentum oscillator just crossed down for the first time during this run, signaling that the trend is softening. The rate of change, which had spiked as high as 104% during the surge, is now curling lower. Another sign that buyers are backing off. MACD remains elevated but is starting to flatten out, while RSI has dropped below 70 and is curling downward. When you see this kind of alignment between volume, momentum, and failed breakouts, you start preparing for mean reversion. MicroStrategy stock just pulled back hard from its highs. But is this the breakdown bears have been waiting for, or just a fake out before a bigger move up? In today's video, we're breaking down the chart, identifying trade levels, and giving you a plan you can use this week. If you find value in this kind of real-time technical content, hit that like button and make sure you're subscribed. Let's start with the daily chart. After topping out near 540 in late March, MSTR retraced nearly 30% as Bitcoin cooled off near all-time highs. But notice this. Price bounced cleanly off the rising 50-day moving average and is now trying to reclaim the 400 zone. The MACD is starting to curl. RSI is stabilizing just below 60, even though it sliced through our RSI trendline support, and volume is picking back up. This could be a base forming, not a breakdown. Also, this week's candlestick printed an inside candle, so next week, we should see an explosive move in the week ahead. Remember though, there is a clear negative divergence on the charts between relative strength and price action. So we'll be on alert for any close below the 21-period moving average currently around the 280 level. We see that, and we'll reevaluate at that time. Remember, MSTR trades like a Bitcoin proxy, and as BTC gears up for a potential move, this stock tends to front run. Zooming into the 30-minute chart, we've got some key levels in play. Resistance at 408. This is a prior volume shelf and the underside of the breakdown. Support sits around 394. That's your super trend, and 30-minute base volume point of control is near 406. Price is currently below it, which tells us bulls need to reclaim this fast or risk fading back to 390 and lower. If we push over a 408 with strength, there's a magnet zone up to 417 to 420, where the next heavy volume cluster sits. Here's how I'm trading it. Bullish above 408, target 1, 417, target 2, 430. Bearish below 394. Watch for a fade to 385, possibly 374. This range is tight but decisive, and we're right at the midpoint now. Let price tip its hand, then take the trade. Risk management is key here. Keep your stop just outside the range. 391 for longs, 410 for shorts. And keep in mind, any sharp move in Bitcoin is likely to echo an MSTR instantly. Always cross-check both charts. If bulls step in and reclaim 408, this could turn into a fast-moving squeeze, especially if Bitcoin breaks back above 109K. But if that reclaim fails, watch out. The air pocket below 390 is real, and it could get ugly quick. The next move should be loud. So don't get caught flat-footed. If this gave you a clearer trading plan, hit that like button and subscribe for more breakdowns just like this. And if you want real-time options trading alerts and setups like this during market hours, check out the pinned comment below.